Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I am waking up early.
I am waking up early.
I am taking a shower.
I am taking a shower.
I am washing my hands.
I am washing my hands.
I am getting dressed.
I am getting dressed.
I am making breakfast.
I am making breakfast.
I am eating cereal.
I am eating cereal.
I am reading the news.
I am reading the news.
I am drinking coffee.
I am drinking coffee.
I am checking my email.
I am checking my email.
I am replying to messages.
I am replying to messages.
I am leaving the house.
I am leaving the house.
I am driving the car.
I am driving the car.
I am arriving at the office.
I am arriving at the office.
I am greeting my colleagues.
I am greeting my colleagues.
I am listening to music.
I am listening to music.
I am turning on the computer.
I am turning on the computer.
I am attending a meeting.
I am attending a meeting.
I am reviewing my tasks.
I am reviewing my tasks.
I am taking notes.
I am taking notes.
I am answering phone calls.
I am answering phone calls.
I am taking a break.
I am taking a break.
I am grabbing a snack.
I am grabbing a snack.
I am drinking water.
I am drinking water.
I am printing documents.
I am printing documents.
I am completing a project.
I am completing a project.
I am saying goodbye.
I am saying goodbye.
I am heading home.
I am heading home.
I am picking up groceries.
I am picking up groceries.
I am cooking dinner.
I am cooking dinner.
I am eating with family.
I am eating with family.
I am washing dishes.
I am washing dishes.
I am tidying the kitchen.
I am tidying the kitchen.
I am watering the plants.
I am watering the plants.
I am feeding the pets.
I am feeding the pets.
I am watching TV.
I am watching TV.
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
I am doing laundry.
I am doing laundry.
I am sweeping the floor.
I am sweeping the floor.
I am folding clothes.
I am folding clothes.
I am mopping the floor.
I am mopping the floor.
I am vacuuming the carpet.
I am vacuuming the carpet.
I am applying skincare.
I am applying skincare.
I am organizing the closet.
I am organizing the closet.
I am setting an alarm.
I am setting an alarm.
I am brushing my hair.
I am brushing my hair.
I am putting on pajamas.
I am putting on pajamas. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.